Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see the list of features that WhatsApp brings to your iPhone with the latest update. Before looking at the features list, the very important bug fix they have done with this latest update is people who were using the auto backup feature where all the chat content will be backed up to their iCloud account was not working earlier. With the latest update, they have fixed that bug, and whether you set it to daily, monthly or weekly, now the backup will be done to your iCloud account without any problem. The very first feature that comes through this update is self-chat feature. One of the best WhatsApp alternative, Telegram Messenger, had this feature for a long time, and right now you can use similar function with WhatsApp also. But with Telegram, they have a separate cloud storage where you can self-chat with you. You can drop a text message, you can take a quick note, or you can forward attachments and other important media contents that you receive from your friends or family members to this self-chat feature. So similar to that, now you can use the iPhone storage. There is no separate cloud storage provided to you. You have to use the iPhone storage, or if you're taking backup through iCloud, then all these contents that you forwarded to your account as important will be preserved very well. This of course helps you to manage the storage effectively. And do share your thoughts whether you will find this feature useful or not, and you may pin this conversation to access it quickly from the top of the chats list. The second important feature is you can now search by date by navigating to any specific chat message or any from group message. When you navigate to the individual conversations section, you can see the calendar icon above that keyboard at the right side, and when you tap on it, it opens the calendar. So all the history of conversations that happened before, you can simply navigate easily with this scroll through option to jump to that specific date. The third important feature is last seen and online privacy tweak have been done with this update. As a privacy feature, if you don't want others to see you when you came online recently, then you can navigate to the privacy settings, last seen and online, and you will see the my contacts except option right now. Tap on it and you can select which contacts should not be seeing the last seen and online status of your WhatsApp application. And this definitely a welcome addition, a privacy feature that will be useful for many people. And the next important feature is drag and drop now comes to the WhatsApp. Like this feature is there with other messengers, like especially Telegram Messenger for a long time. Since iOS 16, you can select multiple files from Photos app or from other applications, and you can simply drag and drop it on other application. But WhatsApp was not supporting this drag and drop feature, and right now they have enabled that feature, and you can simply drag and drop photos, videos, documents from Files app easily into your WhatsApp chat conversation. Either it is individual chat window or a group window, it is not going to be a problem. The drag and drop is going to make the sharing of media contents a lot easier. And the last, fifth important feature that this update brings is undo delete to individual messages, or whether you send a message to a group chat. For example, when you tap and hold any message conversation, you get the delete for everyone or delete for me. If you accidentally deleted in between multiple messages any important message, then for few seconds you will see that option to undo it. You can click on it and then the delete action will be reversed. Do share your thoughts in the comment section, and for more iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.